guys, so today we're going to find me a prom dress.
Hey guys.
So,
okay, that just messed it up.
Making me feel like I could go crazy.
I'm pretty much open to anything, short, long, red to yellow.
No.
Yeah, oh okay. Anywho, I will see you guys when I get there.
No, I said yeah.
So we're here, and Hallie better film everything. I don't think she will.
I'm gonna hold it in my legs.
No, you're not.
Oh yeah, this is my outfit. I have a striped shirt on, my jeans, and my shoes.
Yeah, you do, yeah.
It's so pretty.
Is there anything you don't like about it?
No, I really like it actually. Like it hits like in a good spot.
It fits you really well.
It has pockets, so that's a plus.
Scale of 1 to 10, what does this get?
Like a 9.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
So do you want to try the rose version on?
Yeah.
Okay, it's ultimately end up looking.
I do too. I like the red.
Do you like it better than this one?
I think maybe.
Yeah. Straps is gonna change the look of it, right?
Yeah. Not too much.
Well, you know, you might want to like a little cover up and just take it off when you.
Yeah, I could just take it off. I love the straps too.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
That's really flattering on you.
Oh, thank you. This one? Oh.
It's so pretty with your hair color.
Oh, thank you. What do you think? Yeah, because like the purple's like an accent. This one's my favorite, I think. Yeah.
You're like a cross between Snow White and Belle.
Yeah, I like it.
I would do the jean material,
yeah.
not red. Did you see the one with the red straps?
No, I like this one a lot.
You like that one?
And this one. This one and this one are my top.
Right now it's like an awkward length, right? It just
Yeah,
looks
no,
like
it's
a
okay.
hem job gone
Yeah.
wrong. So these aren't going to be a very high heel.
No, you're fine. You like that one and that one?
Really?
Yeah, same.
Is it supposed
Oh,
to be
I like
shorter
it.
than that? Well, it's supposed to be longer
There's
than
pockets.
that, but I think a little bit so it doesn't go.
I like
Yeah, it fits you perfectly. Your waist is tiny. I mean, it's tiny. And I would also recommend like a slip underneath.
Yeah, just in
Yeah.
case. Yeah. I think this girl is still my favorite.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Beaten top, flowy bottom, you see a ton.
Yeah, it's
more. Yeah, it makes it up a little bit higher as far as the two-piece, but you can literally have like a little white
like
sweater and then just take it
Yeah.
off.
Yeah. Really pretty blue necklace though.
Yeah.
That would be pretty.
You have silver. Let me grab a silver one.
Look at that. I really like this one.
Okay. Let's totally mix
She
it
loves
up.
that one.
This one has the same neckline.
Okay.
Really simple though.
Is that Mikkel's dress?
Oh, that does look like one of her best friends and roommates was on The Bachelor, and she got
Yes, she got this.
It was
And
that
then the
thick.
blue.
It's really similar. It had a different bottom, and but in that blue we said that to her.
Yeah, we loved it. It was gorgeous.
So pretty.
I thought it was really pretty.
Right.
Probably still my favorite.
Yeah, we know
Okay,
Epsilon.
you could take it in like this, and then it would just seal it a little bit tighter.
Oh yeah, but do you like it?
I think it's pretty, yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite one?
I don't know. I liked the floral. I wasn't like, well, I don't know.
I like this. It's pretty. What's your favorite? Still that one?
Between these two.
Yeah. Yeah, these are my top too. I just found my dress and I'm not going to let you guys see it until you guys get to see like my prom get ready with me. I'll let you guys know. Here's a little spoiler. It's either the red one or the yellow floral one. So I just got my dress. They steamed it. I have it here. I'm not going to tell you guys, as I said, I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. This is honestly so heavy, my arm hurts. I don't even know where to put it in the cart. So I just got back from prom dress shopping and it was so fun. I got to try on so many dresses. I felt like a princess. I would love to know which dress was your guys' favorite, so comment down below your favorite dress that I got to try on. But I know I gave you guys a little bit of a spoiler earlier in this video where I told you I either picked the yellow floral one or the red pretty ball gown one. So you can either comment your favorite dress I tried on in all, or your favorite dress between those two. If you guys are watching this video right after I uploaded it, I'm going to be having a poll between those two dresses on my Instagram story. You can go head on to my Instagram, which is Ryleighmarie __, and you can vote which dress you liked best. If you're not already subscribed, you should totally subscribe and become a part of the Lovely fam, because I won't always have this nasty pimple on my face. Alright, I love you guys so very much. I can't really do the heart with one hand, but you know, it's cool. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.